Hi guys. So in this section we will learn about one line text box. Okay. So in this I define one form. For this form we'll learn about later. This form is like you want to insert some like data, some information. So this is a form thing. Inside form there will be lot of elements like input box, text box, radio button, drop down list. Everything will come under form. So okay. This action and method and name, okay, we are living right now, we are putting a blank because this will learn about we will learn about all this thing in JavaScript because they will use while doing server side programming. Okay, so here we'll learn about one line text box. So to define, I define input, and this is text box, type is text, name we are living right now, and we're defining size. Here again we define one more text box, and just we are not defining size, by default size will be there. Okay, this everything inside form only. Okay, so let's test this. Okay, okay, so this is our one text box, this is second. So here we define size 50, here we are not define size, so this is by default size. Here you can increase or decrease the size of the text box. Thank you.